The JD Welsh Cup brings FAWTV to Cwmbran this month. Cwmbran Celtic have been established since 1925, but it's only more recently that they've been enjoying success in the Welsh Football League. And this season they've reached round 4, where they will play Gwent rivals Goytre.
A game we're all looking forward to. It's not just a Welsh Cup game, it's obviously a local derby. We deserve to be in Division 1. The way we are playing this year, we are performing. It's going to be a good match and really looking forward to it. We're looking for promotion. You know, the league table says we're at the top. We are playing well. We just hope we'll take one step at a time and hopefully we achieve what we want.
We all know this is our best opportunity to beat them and progress the next round. It's always been almost, it's always been nearly. You can see the happiness of the club. I can't imagine how excited the club would be if we do manage to get a win on Saturday.
Exciting times really for the club to be at this stage of the Welsh Cup. We've had a good draw this year. Even at this stage now, I mean, we could have picked like TNS away or something like that, but we picked Goytre at home. You know, on our day, we could come away with a win as well.
We're delighted to be in this round of the competition. I'm told it's the furthest the club have ever been, so that's a massive bonus for us. I'm expecting a very, very good Goytre side to come down to us. We've had a great draw at home and we're looking to give it a good go. No game is bigger than the other. We keep our feet firmly on the ground. We know what's expected of us and I'm quite happy to be classed as the underdogs.